Alright, I figured that I would go ahead and try something different. This time with the Liquid Kmart box fan and the Robenson. I figured I would do a side-by-side comparison of both. So first things first, I'll show you what I mean by being a little bit skinnier. I don't know if you can see that or not very closely, but very slightly, it's just a little bit less long than the Kmart's case. The cord, this one's kind of stretching a little bit. This one's just fine on the floor, no problem. And, you know, other than actually this one being a lot dusty and a lot worse condition, they're kind of the same in a way. They do have very similar motors. In fact, I think they're actually the same. Maybe a little different, but not by much. But I'll go ahead and demonstrate both. We'll start them both on low. This one's basically silent, except for a little cage rattle. This one's like shaky if you notice. I don't know what's up with that. Alrighty then. Okay. Now I'll put them to medium. And now high. Yeah, this one definitely moves a lot more air. Alright, and off. Just a spin down, and that was basically the side-by-side demonstration and comparison of the Liquid Kmart box fan and the Robenson box fan. Thank you for watching.